Good day, everyone, and happy to give you this video message. We are organizing, and we are at the 6th edition, this international workshop that is usually held in Rome, second part of the year. And the name and the title of the workshop is In Search of Lost Time. Why we built these? It's something that comes from the idea that when we're treating patients with epilepsy, time to time, we may risk losing time, and time is relevant. So we're trying to answer this question in search of lost time. So searching the reason for which we may lose time with our patients. And losing time means trying to avoid late diagnosis and moving to early diagnosis, proper management, and doing it quickly because of treatment purposes and because we really would like to understand if it will be possible in the future, improving not only the epilepsy in terms of seizures, but also improving overall quality of life of our patients. And this is a great opportunity because our workshop is structured in a new shape. What does it mean? We try to put together different healthcare providers which dedicated their life to the treatment of epilepsy. So meaning that we have a core group of physicians, we do have basic scientists, we do have patients advocacy groups, and we do have industries. So it's a unique opportunity to have all of them in the same session, all of them participating in our big section of discussion, making progress and trying to understand each from the other how we can really move forward things. Thank you very much and hope to meet you soon in Rome.